Are you ready? Baby shark.
Hello, gorgeous.
What up, design champs? Happy Wednesday morning. Today I have two design projects on the agenda. First off, we're gonna be reviewing the logo we made a couple videos ago for Fourth Down Data. Second off, I need to make some illustrations for our awesome design club, rtweak.com, which is art and week crunched together. Also, you can take the R and put it on the end of tweak and make tweaker, but I don't know why I'm adding that. All right, so let's get on the chopper and just fly over to the Fourth Down design. Last time, I gave you guys the options of Ballboy and Field Goal Boy. Field Goal Boy, very similar to the last poll we did, is 69% opposed to the 31% of Ballboy. So Field Goal Boy seems to have some sort of breakaway and is about to win the game. Yeah, sports analogies, so good. But actually for Ballboy, I went ahead and made some changes to it. If you follow me on the Instagrams, you would have seen the more updated version, which looks like this. What I did was I added some gradients just to give a little bit more depth. I don't know if it's better, but I just did that because it's a lot more technological and futuristic looking now, and it's supposed to be data-driven app. So I don't know. I think Field Goal Boy is still the winner. So let's just take this logo design over the goal line and say that Field Goal winner's the winner. Yeah, congratulations. Good work, everybody. Good work. I haven't heard back from Alex yet about his real logo, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna hit pause on that project. But I came up with something I'm really interested to know is the demographics of all of us. So if you wouldn't mind, please vote in the poll right now, whether you are a graphic designer, an illustrator, work with photo or filmography or something other. And if you're a student, just say which one you're majoring in or going to or most interested in. It would be super interesting for me, and I think it'll be interesting for all of us to figure out where we all stand. Okay, my handsome, beautiful friends, let's start on the big project for today. So for Artweak, when you sign up, you'll be given a little bit of a survey that's supposed to measure kind of your personality, but also your interests in what you're gonna do in design or creativity. And then once you fill out the survey, you're placed into one of 4 color groups. There's red, yellow, blue, and purple. Each one correlates to a different idea. Right now, I'm functionally working with the names Explorer, Divergent, Architect, and Artist. So what I need to do is I want to make an illustration for the page after you finish the survey that says, oh, congratulations, you are now in the yellow group. Join all the other explorers as you continue your journey as a design champion. So I think a really fun, interesting illustration there would be awesome. That's the goal, so let's get started. This is my right hand with a mechanical pencil. And I actually use transfer paper for most of my sketches. I don't know why. It feels like I don't feel bad if I make mistakes on it. Yeah, so I drew out 3 different scenes actually, but I'm just gonna work with 2 of them. So, the first idea is that the mascot guy will be a possum. And for example, the explorers, it'll be a possum like this, exploring the jungle, maybe a Boy Scout theme, and maybe architect, he could be building a skyscraper, etc., etc. So that's the idea with this one. I'm excited, I'm interested to see what you guys think of having the mascot be an actual possum. So this illustration style, I'm trying to go for something very drawn feel, I guess you would say. I don't like his legs. I don't like the, maybe I do, I don't know, I can't tell. But that's where I got so far, and it's very important that we incorporate like the color into all the themes. So for example, the architect is maybe red, so in that illustration we would have to incorporate red into him, into the design for him or her. So this guy, I try to get a lot of yellow, and he's actually holding a yellow flag, which I think is cool. It took me a while to make the background into something I thought would be interesting, but I think it's maybe too much. I think maybe, I don't know, what do you guys think about this? I think it needs to be a lot more minimal. Maybe like very few plants or even no plants. Maybe he's just like walking in a little bit of a green under area. But that was that guy. And then second was this sketch. It looked cute as a sketch, I guess, but I ended up changing it to just like a human girl. You'll see. But I went about this. So this one's completely different. I did the last guy in Photoshop with some brushes, and then I'm gonna do this girl in Illustrator, and with all vectorness. All the vector glory you can find in the pile of Adobe products. Yeah, I don't know, I was just going through making it. I think the hardest part on this one was making all the fingers work. I don't know. I still don't know if the ultimate pose I get to is perfect in terms of making it look like she's actually walking. But at this point, I thought, okay, this is starting to look pretty cool. It looked horrendous before. It always looks so bad when I go from sketches to the first like vector shapes on top of it. Yeah, so here I add the hair, and that really takes it into the realm of looking a lot more fun. But my only concern with this one is that it looks too cutesy, maybe a little bit too kiddish. So let me know what you think about that. Yeah, so I put her in the same pose because this is really more about. I want to know basically the poll. I want to ask, do you think we should go with a mascot like the possum, but it could be a different animal as well, or it could be like, I don't know, just a different monster or something that could be cool, or we could go for like human-looking people like this girl. So yeah, that's it. But here are the final ones next door to each other. So what I would really love is if you guys could tell me, basically we can combine ideas. So if we like the possum, but we like the illustration style, the vector illustration style of the girl, then we could totally make the possum into that style. And if we like the style for the illustration, we can make the girl or a different human character into that style. Okay guys, thanks so much, let me know. Alright, so that's it. Came up with 2 characters and 2 different illustration styles. There should be 4 options in the poll right now based on, the combination. I would absolutely love hearing what you guys think. Go on ahead and leave all them ideas down below and we'll take a gander. So that's it for me, Awesome Possums. If you missed yesterday's video, we butchered 4 designs. So if you want to go back and watch the destruction of YGR, feel free to do so. But I want to thank you guys so much for being here and being involved in all the designs and projects and giving me your thoughts. It is the best thing in the world. So stay awesome, Possum, and I will see you later, Alligator, tomorrow for more design-related stuff, things. All right, bye, guys.